Today we're taking a look at the VSMA Home Mini G3 Wi-Fi camera. The Mini G3 is a feature-packed, outdoor-capable 2.5K resolution camera that, as the name says, quite small. Infrared and color night vision modes are both supported in addition to standard daytime recording mode, which will definitely help when you place these outside. This camera can also be used to monitor your indoor space when you're away from your house. It can also be used to monitor pets, and it can also serve as a baby monitor at nighttime as well. The Mini G3 camera does feature a spotlight when combined with the built-in sensor that really helps capture video even in low light situations. The Mini G3 is IP65 rated and has an operating temperature of -4 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. The mounting solution is very flexible in that it can be simply desk mounted or wall mounted, and the articulating arm allows for quite a few angles as well. The arm is relatively rigid, so it should hold any position that you set the camera in, which is nice, especially if you're mounting this outside and there's a lot of wind. The camera does support trigger movement alerts. These alerts can be sent to the app on your phone. The camera also does have an enhanced human detection mode, so it should filter out anything that isn't a human or relatively small animals. The Mini G3 does have cloud storage plans available if you'd rather have your recordings be stored off-site, but it does come with an SD card slot, which is also nice to see. In terms of connectivity, the registration linking the camera to my account was relatively quick and easy. The camera does need to be connected to 2.4 GHz wireless networks. This model does not support 5 GHz radios, just something to remember. The Mini G3 does have a microphone and a speaker built into it. Two-way communication, along with all of the other features, especially for this price, is quite a deal in my opinion. The camera was easy to use inside of the app. I thought the video quality of the camera was very good in light, low light, and at nighttime situations. The app was relatively easy to set up and configure, and I was able to format the SD card within the app as well, which I definitely liked. These cameras would be a good option to capture your entrances as well as your garage, your driveway, backyard, maybe your pool area. You can also capture it inside of your house. As I said, this would make a good baby monitor. You could also monitor your pets, especially if they have anxiety when you're away, which is a very nice feature. For the price, this seems like a pretty good camera option with decent application support.